So you're not going to believe this, but I actually found this hack, tip, trick. I found this trick online that will allow us to get Apple's entertainment for free. Yes, absolutely free. Now, for those of you who don't know what Apple Entertainment is, Apple Entertainment consists of these 5 services: Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and Apple Arcade. These 5 services constitute Apple Entertainment. So I'm going to show you guys how to get Apple Entertainment for free. Absolutely free. You're not going to pay a single dime. Now, to follow along in this tutorial, you're going to need a couple of things. One is an Apple device, whether it's a MacBook, an iPhone, or an iPad. Second, you're going to need a US Apple ID. Now, if your ID is not US, don't worry, I'll show you how to change it in the video, so stick around. Thirdly, you're going to need access to a US address. Any random US address will do. I'll also show you how to get one if you don't have one. Number 4 is a card, whether a debit card or a credit card, a virtual or a physical one. You're going to need that as the payment method. Now, I know we are getting it for free, but don't worry, we just need a card to help us with the process. You're not going to be charged, and I'll show you how to go about that. And last but not least, we need this Reddit link. I'll leave it in the description so that you can use it. Now, if you don't have access to a card, this channel is known for creating content about several ways to get virtual cards. So please make sure to check out any of those videos, get your virtual card, come back and follow along in this tutorial. You can also use this free virtual card that I created a while ago. Go ahead and take a screenshot of it and use it to follow along. Now, I know my music lovers and my movie lovers are going to be excited about this video, so please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, and share this video with others who might find it very useful. Okay, so let's get into it and let me show you how we're going to go about this. I am going to be using my iPhone, so please follow along so you don't miss any of the steps. Let's get into it. Okay, so in order to begin, the first thing we are going to do is change our Apple ID to the US. So if your Apple ID is not already a US Apple ID, please make sure to do this first. If you already have a US Apple ID, you can skip to the next step. So we're going to change our Apple ID to the US. In order to do that, we're going to go to the App Store. Then you click on your profile icon on the right. Then click on your account. Now, as you can see, your country and region will display the current country and region that you used to create your account. Go ahead and select that. Over here, change country or region. Select that option. Scroll till you find the USA and select that. Now, you'll be given some terms of service to agree to. You can choose to read them or just go ahead and agree. So agree to it. You'll be required to provide some information like a credit card and a billing address. Now, the billing address has to be an address in the United States. So we're going to do that now. In order to get to this information, close the App Store, open your browser, and then just search random USA address generator. Now, it will give you a bunch of links for you to choose from. Go ahead and select any of them, going with the second option. Click on generate, and it will give you an address over here. Now that we have the random US address generated, we can go ahead and use this information. Right now we need a street, 2 streets, one is required, one is optional. We need a city, a state, and a zip code. So let's do that. For the address I generated, it gave me the state as AR, which is the short form of Arkansas. So you go ahead and select that option. And then the zip. And then you enter the phone number. Now keep in mind that this is a random generated phone number. It's not an actual phone number. Now that we've entered the billing address, let's go ahead and enter our card details now. Kindly take your time and enter the right details so that you will not get an error when you are proceeding to the next stage. Also keep in mind that if you don't have a card, you can use the one I put in the video earlier, or you can go ahead and then watch other videos on this channel about how to create a virtual card and then come back and then use it for this tutorial. So let's go ahead and enter our card details immediately. After entering the card details successfully, click on next at the top right corner. Click on continue. Now you'll be redirected back to your app store. We have successfully changed our country or region from our local region to the United States. So now we can move on to the next part of the video. Let's go ahead and close our app store now. For the next part of this video, we are going to use the Reddit link. I have it in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. Open the Reddit link in your browser. When you open the Reddit link, it should look something like this in your browser. Click the link over there. That link will redirect you to this page right here where you can redeem Apple Entertainment services. The reason why we had to change our ID from our local ID to the United States is because this redeem service only works for accounts that are in the United States or that have the United States set as their country or region. Without doing that, we wouldn't have been able to redeem these services. Let's go ahead and do the very first one and I'll speed through the rest. I just want you guys to know that this works 100%. So let's go ahead with the first one. Alright, so the first one we are going to do is the Apple TV Plus. So go ahead and click redeem now. It will take a few seconds for it to load and it will open your Apple TV Plus. Just follow the instructions as you see them on your device and everything will work out smoothly. As you can see, I have redeemed it successfully, and now you can see on your screen that it says you won't be billed until February 20th, 2025. So you can continue to Apple TV and enjoy Apple TV services, but I need you to take note of that date over there because that is how long the service will last for free. If that date should come and you have your card linked in your account with some money on it, you'll be deducted Apple TV's service fees. So you can cancel the subscription before that date and come back and use this link to get another free 3 months and enjoy Apple TV services for free. So you see, so just like I promised, you can keep enjoying these services for free. Now I'm going to do it for the rest of the other services, that's the remaining 4, and I'm going to speed through the process so that you can see that everything works perfectly and everything is legit. Alright, so if you run into any problems whilst doing this, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Also, make sure you have a live card and you are following the steps to the letter so that you don't make any mistakes and you can redeem these services and enjoy Apple Entertainment for free. Keep in mind that you do not have to redeem all 5 services. You can only pick the ones that you are interested in. I'll show you in the settings of your iPhone where you can keep track of all the subscriptions that you have just created. On your iPhone, go to your settings. In your settings, click on your account at the top. On your account page, click on subscriptions, and now you see all the list of subscriptions that you have just redeemed, including the expiration dates. So make sure to keep track of those dates and cancel the subscription before those dates, and then go back and redeem them again and enjoy the services for free. Now, if you followed the tutorial to the end, your Apple Entertainment services should be activated by now. Your Apple Music, your Apple TV, your Apple Arcade, your Apple Fitness, your Apple News, all of them should be activated now. Go ahead and enjoy all these services because you are enjoying them for free, right? Yeah, so enjoy them, use them, have fun, listen to your music, stream your movies, and do what you gotta do. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more of these great tricks. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.